See question number 1 of exercise 5.1. In which of the following situations does the list of number involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Okay, here we have 4 word problems. We'll solve only first one. Okay, next 3 bits you have to solve by your own, and if you have some doubt you can ask from us, or you can take help from some study materials also. Okay, so see, first one is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Okay, we have to analyze that this situation will form an AP or not. If the fare of first kilometer is fixed, which is rupees 15, and for next each additional kilometer fare is rupees 8. See, according to question, the fare for journey for first kilometer is rupees 15, means for 1 kilometer fare is rupees 15, and for next 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer, and so on, means 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers, so on, is, so for 2 kilometers it will be rupees 15 which is fixed plus 8. For 3 kilometers it will be rupees 15 which is fixed plus 8 means next 2 kilometers. See, out of these 3 kilometers, 1 kilometer will be charged as fixed charge, and for next 2 kilometers 8 rupees per kilometer. Okay, for 4 kilometer rupees 15 for first kilometer, and for next 3 8 plus 8 plus 8. So this will give us 15, 23, 31, 39. Okay, here each term is obtained by adding 8 to the preceding term. So this is in an AP. This set of numbers or sequence of numbers is forming an AP. Okay, now see next question. Next question. Second question is, write the first 4 terms of an AP when the first term and the common difference D are given as follows. See, we are given with first term and common difference, so we have to form AP and we have to write first 4 terms of the AP. See, second bit of question number 2. First term is -2 and common difference is 0. So A1 will be first term, which is A minus 2. A2 will be A1 plus D, means -2 plus 0, which is -2. A3 will be A1 plus 2D. A1 is -2 plus D is 0, means 0 into 2, which is -2, which will give us -2. Fourth term, A4 will be A1 plus 3D. D is 0, so 3 into 0 is 0. So and A1 is -2. So fourth term is also -2. So first 4 terms of an AP are -2, -2, -2, and -2. Okay, see, fourth bit of the same question. First term is -1 and common difference is 1/2. So first term is -1 and second term we will get by adding common difference to the first term. So A1 plus D is equals to -1 plus 1/2. Okay, first term plus common difference. So by taking LCM or solving this fraction, we will have -2 plus 1/2, which will give us -1/2. Now for the third term will be A1 plus 2D. Okay, so A1 is -1 plus 2 into 1/2. Okay, 2 into 1/2 is 1, very clear it is. So -1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, and fourth term for the same AP, A1 plus 3D is equals to A1 is -1 plus 3 into common difference is 1/2. So 3 into 1/2 is 3/2 plus 1. By taking LCM, it is -2 plus 3 upon 2, which will give us 1/2. Okay, thus first 4 terms of AP are -1, -1/2, third term is 0, and fourth term is 1/2. See next question, question number 3. For the following APs, means this is given that first, second, third and fourth list of numbers or sequence of numbers are in AP. Okay, if any list of number is in an AP, then it has a fixed, it has the same common difference. Okay, so for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Okay, see question number 3, second bit, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. It is in an AP. Okay, so first term is very clear, it is given. First term a1 is 5 and we have to find common difference. If any list of number forms an AP, then how to find a common difference? By subtracting second term by first, or by subtracting third term by second, or by subtracting fourth term by third. Okay, so common difference is a2 minus a1, which is minus 1 minus 5. Okay, minus 5, it will become plus 5, so minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So common difference is 4, and throughout this sequence you can see plus 4 is the common difference. Here we got plus 4. Okay, now 3 minus 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is plus 4. 7 minus 3, here also difference is 4. So common difference is 4. Next bit, see third one, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. Okay, see first term is 1 by 3, it is very clear. Now how to find common difference? Subtract second term by first, or third term by second, or fourth term by third term. Okay, subtract subtract third term from fourth term. This all will give you the common difference. Why? Because this is given that this is in an AP. Okay, see a2 minus a1, 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. See, base of the two fraction is same, so LCM is 3. So 5 minus 1 upon 3 is 4 by 3. So common difference is 4 by 3. Sorry, by mistake I wrote here 8. It is a fifth term is 4. Okay, see 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 8 by 2. So this is 4. Okay, so a6 will be 4 plus 1 by 2, which is 9 by 2, and a7 means 7th term will be 6th term plus common difference. So 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 10. Okay, so these are the next 3 terms of this given AP. Now see fifth bit of the same question. List of number is 3 minus 3, and next term is 3 plus root 2, and next term is 3 plus 2 root 2, and fourth term is 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Okay, we have to check whether this forms an AP or not. This sequence of number is in an AP or not, and if it is in an AP, then we have to find next 3 terms of the list. Okay, see, first of all, to check this is an AP or not, we have to find difference between each two term. Okay, so a2 minus a1 is equals to a2 minus a1. This is a2 and this is a1. a2 minus a1 is 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 cancelled out, difference is root 2. Now a3 minus a2. Okay, subtracting second term from third. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. Opening the bracket will have 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, it will become minus 3, and it will become minus root 2. Okay, so plus 3 minus 3 cancel out, and 2 root 2 minus root 2. So remaining will be root 2. And now a4 minus a3 means fourth term subtracted by third term is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 root 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus 3 cancelled out. Now 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, remaining will be root 2. Clearly common difference is root 2 in the root 2 is same throughout the series. So the next three terms will be common differences root 2. So next three terms, which is a5, a6, a7. a5 will be given by a4 plus d, a6 will be given by a5 plus d, and a7 will be given by a6 plus d. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 4 root 2. See, here we have these two like terms, 3 root 2 and root 2. This term has root 2 and this term has root 2. So only these two terms will be added. Okay, so this 3 will be we have to leave as it is. Okay, so 3 plus 4 root 2 is the fifth term. Now 3 plus 4 root 2 was the fifth term plus root 2. Okay, is sixth term. So 3 plus 5 root 2, 4 root 2 plus root 2 is 5 root 2. Seventh term is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 3 plus 6 root 2. See last bit, ninth bit, it is not last, it is ninth bit of the same question. We have list of numbers a square, a cube, a to the power 4 and so on. Here a1 means first term is a, second term is a square, third term is a cube, and fourth term is a to the power 4. Okay. So to check this is in an AP or not, we need to find difference between each two term. Okay, so a2 minus a1 is a square minus a. Okay, so a is common in both the terms, so a out of the bracket multiply a minus 1. Okay, this is the difference between first term and second term. Now difference between second term and third term is a cube minus a square. A square is common in both the terms, so a square will take out, okay, and in bracket a minus 1. Okay, here difference between second term and third term is a square multiply a minus 1, which is not equal to this. Now a4 minus a3. A4 is a to the power 4 and a3 is a cube. Again we have a cube common in both the terms, so a cube will take out as a common factor and remaining in the bracket will be a minus 1. Okay, clearly we can see that a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3 are not equal. Okay, hence the given list is not in AP. Okay, given list of number is not forming an AP. Okay, this exercise 5.1 was very basic of this chapter. Okay, in next videos we will study nth term of an AP, how to find nth term of an AP, and if nth term of an AP is given, how to find first term, and how to find number of terms, and many more things. Okay, in next video we will deal with nth term of an AP. Okay, and general term of nth term of an AP, or general form of nth term of an AP. Okay, so keep learning. Hope you all have watched our previous videos which we have sent in the month of April, and we have completed chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. Okay, so go through this video, and after this chapter we will start our new chapter which will be taught by Mamta ma'am. Okay, thank you.